Simple training works. It always has. What usually fails people isn't the effort, it's the complexity introduced too early. Before the body can change, it needs to feel safe. If training has always felt rushed, stressful, or overwhelming, that means the approach simply was not designed to last. Consistency does not come from motivation, it comes from a practice that fit your life. That is what we build here. My name is Furkan, and this is Functional Athletica. I talk about functional fitness not as a trend, not as a way to look a certain way, but as a practice that stays useful for an entire lifetime. You'll notice you won't see me sitting in front of a camera talking today. To be honest, I've always been much more comfortable moving than I am sitting talking to a camera. I have chosen to use voiceovers for these deep dives so we can keep the focus 100% on the movement and the mindset without the distractions. This channel is for people who want to start training but don't know where to begin. It is for people who have had bad experiences at gym. Maybe you felt lost, intimidated, or overwhelmed. And it is for those people whose lives are busy with work, travel, responsibilities, who needs training that fits and not complicates their life. Functional fitness works because the body learns through repetitions and recovery, not through complexity or hype. When movements are simple, the nervous system relaxes. And when the nervous system relaxes, the body adapts faster and with less pain. Functional fitness means being able to move well, carry your groceries, luggage, or backpack without any strain, climb stairs, travel, sit, and live confidently. It is not about perfection, it is about capacity, what your body can reliably do every single day. Training isn't just about muscles, it is about how you breathe under pressure. It is about whether your body feels safe enough to change. If your breathing is rushed, if your mind is scattered, your body will resist adaptation. So here we train movement, breathing, and awareness together because it is practical. Progress comes from showing up even when it feels imperfect and allowing simple, repeated practice to build strength. If you are starting this for the first time or starting again, understand this. Starting slow is not weakness, it is a technical decision. Foundations are built quietly. Once they are built, everything else becomes easier. You're not late, you're not broken. You are exactly where you need to start. I did not arrive as an athlete. I arrived here as someone who needed training to work even when time, energy, and motivations were limited. Over the years, I was helped by teachers, systems, and simple ideas that made training sustainable. What I share here is not theory. It is what stayed useful after unnecessary complexity was removed. This channel is my way of passing that forward, clearly, simply, and practically. On this channel, we don't just talk about movement, we practice it. Over time, I will be sharing simple, functional training sessions so you can follow anywhere, repeat often, and adapt to your own life. Short sessions, practical movements, real results without forcing your body or mind into stress. If this approach resonates with you, I invite you to stay, watch the next video, and explore the practice with me. There is no rush, no pressure, just a quiet commitment to move, to breathe, and feel capable. If you like this channel, might help you, consider subscribing. Not because I told you, but because it is a place to return when you want to practice safely, consistently, and simply. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next session.